Hello everyone, welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. Today we are starting chapter number 6, Introduction to Scratch. If two persons want to talk with each other, they must know one language that both person can understand so that communication will become easy. Same like that, if we want to communicate with computer, we must know that language which computer can understand. A programming language is a language that helps us to give instruction or commands to a computer. So, Scratch is a programming language. And what is the meaning of programming language? It gives instruction to the computer so that it can be easily understandable by the system. Although there are many programming languages, but we use Scratch programming language because Scratch is very simple and easy programming language. So let's start it. Scratch. What is Scratch? Scratch is a free programmable toolkit that enables kids to create their own games, animated stories, and interactive art and share their creation with one another over the internet. Scratch is a free programming language. It is a free software that enables kids to create their own games. It means in this language we can easily create a game. We can easily create a animated stories. For this purpose, there is no need to learn commands. There is no need to learn a particular syntax like any other programming language. It is very simple and easy programming language. So kids enjoy this language because they can easily create the games, they can easily create projects, no need to learn particular commands because it contains block of codes. With the help of these block of codes, they can easily create a project. So, Scratch is a block-based visual programming language that and website targeted primarily as children to help learn code. As I have told you, it is a block-based language, means it contains blocks. With the help of blocks, we can create a project. Primarily, it was designed for children so that they can learn how to use that code. Scratch is a project of Scratch Foundation. It was developed by MIT Media Lab. Scratch was developed by MIT Media Lab. Scratch programming language, we can use Scratch programming language is 40 different languages and it is used in more than 150 countries. Nowadays, Scratch is so much popular and now it has been used in more than 150 countries. Scratch 2.0 is the second version of language Scratch and it was released on 9 May 2013. Earlier first one was Scratch 1.0 that was released on 2008. 2.0 that was second version and it was released on 9th May 2013. And the latest version is Scratch 3.0. This is the third version and the latest version of the Scratch. And it was launched on 2 January 2019. And we will work on latest version, that is Scratch 3.0.